Hello guys friends, welcome to our Rising AI channel. In this video, I will show you how you can quickly prepare shorts, reels, TikTok videos using artificial intelligence. Let's move on to our video without wasting time. First, we go to the ChatGPT site. We tell ChatGPT to prepare 100 motivational quotes. ChatGPT started to prepare. By the way, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now let's wait for our entire article to be rendered. Now we find the background video for our video. Now I will choose any video from here and download it. After downloading our video, now we will go to video editing site. Let's continue without wasting any time. Now we enter it our site called CapCut and we will upload the video we downloaded here and write the words we created from ChatGPT on it and add effect. Save our video and make it ready for YouTube. We are throwing our video on our timeline and we are going to make a video of our shorts video ratio. Let's enlarge our video a little. I pinned a template inside the site and I will write our word on it. Let's go copy our word. Now we add an animation to it. I add an effect to our video to make it more interesting like this. I am adjusting the effect. We are prepared our background video. Now we are recording 100 of the words we have created by writing each of them here and uploading them to YouTube, TikTok, Reels. This is our video. If you want more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video.